Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is called Verb Idioms for Level 3 students. Level 3 in our program is 3,001 words to 6,000. Number 1. She will on her birthday. This means that now she is 20 years old. She will turn 21 on her birthday. Number 2. Bob always likes to when he rides his skateboard. This means he rides his skateboard and he does tricks and he wants other people to watch him. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. He tries to attract attention. He likes to show off. Her hair is super short now. She will be happy when this means when it becomes longer. She'll be happy when it grows back. This one is when you're running and you're breathing very hard, like this. And then someone says, "Let's stop. I have to." Something you do to make yourself breathe slower. I have to catch my breath. I have to catch my breath. Bob has many problems in his life. This is similar to pity, P-I-T-Y. We feel sorry for him. The basic form is to feel sorry for somebody or something, an animal also. Our boss is our meeting. This means he will hear everything, but probably not speak. To listen in on something. These problems are difficult, but we have to. This means to manage some problems, to work step by step, to work through something. Bob, his bike last year. This means he threw it in the garbage, or he sold it to somebody, or he gave it to someone. And one of the letters is an R. He got rid of it last year. The basic form, to get rid of something. She took some medicine. Now she is waiting for she's waiting for the medicine to start working. To take effect. She's waiting for it to take effect. It means to start working. Did it? We could have taken a bus. This means, did you think about it? Did it come to your mind? Did it occur to you that we could have taken a bus? Bye-bye.